Okay. Basta dili ko kasabot sa ako ni imo nga pangutana. Anon mo lang ko ha.
Oh, sure.
Anon mo lang ko.
Sige.
Oo. Okay.
Kini nga study, Sir D, salamat kayo sa imong pag-respond kay I'm looking for participants sa mga kanabitaw nga ga ilahang first year experience ba sa isa ka country nga they are new teachers sa ilang cultural adaptation as a new teacher.
Oo. Okay.
Oh, so gusto ko nga makita yung perspective na yan sa study na ako. A little study. So I want to recall yung first year experience mo on how you adjusted to culture as a new teacher. Kay teacher man pug diri sa Philippines, teacher man din ka diha. So unsay mga cultural adaptation, mga adjustments, how you blended in sa imong nga new workplace. Okay lang. Okay lang ba?
Okay lang sir. Ano ni siya ng may ang imo dingin ano ba? The one that you tried you said it to me. Ang sa question mo sa we will follow this right.
Yeah.
Sir,
This is just a guide question but I can simplify it for you.
Okay, that's sure.
Oh, sige. So, sir, can we start now?
Okay.
Sige.
Okay, sure.
So, unsa man ang imong unsa may experience nga nag-stand out gyud sa imuha sa imong first year experience as a new teacher with reference to cultural adaptation diha sa Thailand, sir? Sige, please.
Sir, wala ko ka I didn't teach in the Philippines.
Okay.
So after nag-graduate ko.
Okay.
Ano lang ba, pag-ST ko lang dito ba?
Okay, gani man.
Because after 1 year nag-music teacher lang ko, bali private music teacher, piano and voice. After that one, I came here to Thailand. So ang nag-stand out is about kung in terms sa teaching, it's something like unahan ko muna about the people here or the student.
Okay.
To respect ang pagrespeto gid sir sa dire sa foreign teacher, not only for the foreign but for the seniority. Kung older ka sa ila, they try to respect.
Okay.
Even not older, even sa mga younger mga student, the teacher try to respect. Especially nakakat ko pa na rin, no?
Opo, yes.
So sa first year na ko, for example, like in the classroom, so I was so amazed sa ilang for example, like they try to greet their teachers ba, na gagaway sila ba. Kaya dala sa atin mag say sila, good morning teacher.
So what was your adjustment experience in that aspect? Challenging, hindi ba? Or what?
Yeah, it's very challenging kay syempre kay you are not used of it ba. Ay sir, may ga-echo ba? I don't may ga-echo sa ano mo.
May ga-echo?
Hello.
Hello.
Okay na. Okay. Siguro ang fan, nag-fan ka?
There's a little fan at the bottom.
Okay.
Okay lang ba?
May ara siya may ga-echo siya nga voice.
May ga-echo nga voice.
Sige.
Kasi kay ga-record ako sa gina-record ko sa akong phone.
Sige.
Okay ra ba, sir? Okay ra? Dili ga-record, ga-echo gihapon?
Okay. Okay na. Hello.
Alright.
Ang is about respect. They are so respectful. Students are so respectful. For example, like for me, we are not used of do the why serve. You have to fold your hands. So parang awkward ba as a foreigner doing like that. So in that situation ba doing parang big deal sa akin kay of course, parang ano ba, parang they are so parang ginarespeto ka nila as a teacher.
And how did you cope with it, sir? How did you respond, adjusting? How did you manage it?
Ano sir, just ano lang, just follow. Bali, I have some, Filipino friends here, Filipino co-teachers,
Oh.
and they try to help me how to do the why.
Oh.
Oo.
Okay.
Oo.
All right.
Pero,
Is there another aspect, sir, aside from respect? Nga mag-stand out sa imo?
I think they
Sa ilang klase?
they are so
How to deliver the
parang
lesson?
parang giver sila. They are so sa sa mga teachers and to the parents. They are so parang generous. Sorry. They are so generous because kung kay dara ko sa if estudyante na ako ang ilang mga anak, like the parents, they try to give me something or special, something like especially during New Year. The parents, I think most of the parents will give you special gift. Kaysa Pilipinas wala man ta sila.
How did you adjust, and how did you blend in with this new way of relating to parents?
Ano ko nag-adjust sa ila?
With that kay parang difference ato
I think for me, I have in return sa akon, sir, I have to build to be respectful for them.
Okay.
I have to be respectful for them. Siyempre, kay naghatag sila sa imo, they give you something. So in return, you have to respect them and to help their children too.
All right. So
actually, they really value about education there sa Thailand.
So mo po na imong response. So you had to do your best to the estudyante po. And because of that, naging maganda naman yung experience mo ng first year of teaching. Any more most challenging situation, sir, nga nag-adjust pud ka, mga difficult situations aside from those two mentioned?
I think sir, do amo lang ginakay.
Okay,
in terms sa akon na teaching.
Okay.
Kay dirabi sa Pilipinas, in the Philippines, you have to study hard as a teacher, right? You have to prepare. Unlike here, you have to prepare too. But ang lesson is not so higher ba? Kay siyempre, I am teaching in a private school. It's a Chinese school. Pero parang basic lang din ang panudlo lang din ba?
So okay lang. Alright.
Okay lang din. No problem at all.
Alright. So let's go to the next lesson. What feelings were generated because of this first year experiences nimo? Sa mga feelings were generated?
Feelings that I try to experience from the first day.
Yung first year nimo as a whole, unsa may imong mga emotional challenges or emotional, what were feelings nga na-generate nga 1 year mo, you experience these feelings as you went through your teaching?
For my 1 year, I think I was so blessed. I was so blessed with my experience. But of course, in the first day of sa ako nga siguro mga first week ko nga pag-teach ba. Kasi I'm in a foreign
adjustment pa.
The adjustment period, especially ang language barrier. Okay, most of the students, they cannot speak English, especially the parents. No?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to adapt their, of course, their language to
Mm-hmm.
everything. Pero in terms sa sa in teaching the lesson, there is no any
So
problem.
what did
But
you
of course,
what did you feel with those
uh,
ones?
excitement. I mix emotion. It's a mixed emotion like excitement, nervous. Oh, nervous dahil para yun, excitement. Nervous ako, kulbaan ka. Oo.
Kasi bago mo, no? Bago. How did you adjust, sir? How did you adjust nicely?
I I think it's easy, sir, to adjust. In terms, for example, like ano man, for example, like for my in teaching English, abi na ko, it's really hard to teach the students. I think they are so good. So parang the same sa academy ba? Parang, pero when I try to teach for my first week, wala na. It's not even my first day siguro. Okay, I handled only I handled grade 1, 2, and 3 and high school 1, 2, and 3. So pag ano ko sa ilang level or sa ilang English proficiency, parang hindi masyado kagalingan ba, hindi masyado maayo ba. So the adjustment is so easy. But it's so easy, but of course sa adjustment ako sa mga co-teachers nako, of course they try to expect higher parang taas nila paglantaw sa imo. So because we are far especially discrimination. Ang before, sir, ang nagtudlo dira before the teacher was a native speaker. Okay, especially sa akong lugar, ang lugar ko Isan na siya, Isan region. Marara ko sa province ba, 10 hours away from Bangkok. So bali ang discrimination to the Filipinos and the native speaker, like mga Americans, English, British, and mga Australian. Grabe ang discrimination. So ang gimbuslan ako, native speakers.
Okay.
So grabe ang expectation sa mga parents. Of course, number one is about even how good in English you are. Pero nila, they are really particular with the accent. Okay. Kita man kay Filipino accent mong good. So, pero ang nalaman ko lang is about na-overcome ko siya. It's about I did a very good relationship sa students ba. Like make friends with them, not so strict with them. And then siyempre kay ako lang ang ako sama na nga school, dato amon school mga Chinese. The owners are owners sa mga kotse, like Toyota, mga Suzuki, mga Honda, yun.
So yun ang nakakuan. So relationship with the students and the parents.
Relationships. Pero ang nagpaano din sa ako that they really like me because like I did a lot of like programs or activities inside the school. Having the English camp, I did for example Christmas Day, mga musical ba. So parang na-attract sila.
Okay. Let's go to one aspect na naman, sir. We have seen the feeling side, no? Tingnan natin yung lived space. How did the
Dancer ko mo nga, no?
Oh yes, I got it, sir. I got it. Thank you. Dito naman tayo sa lived space. Like how did the physical environment or space around you enhance or nag-alter sa imong pag-adapt sa culture? Like how did the environment facilitate adapting, or how did the physical environment help you or alter or give you challenges?
The physical environment.
Like nabay space, nabay sa kalugar nga like stand out to you sa first year mo.
Siguro sir, ang mga nila sir ng what we call facilities in the school.
Or is there a place, is there a specific place nga diha nimo ma-remember nga first year na ako was like this sa pag-adjust ko na sa ka place or classroom ba or office ba or nabay sa ka specific place sa imong school or nga this was a place where you can remember adjusting talaga?
In terms sa kay diri sa sa Thailand in my school everything parang in terms sa for example like in the classroom it's air conditioned dayon may mga projector. So parang ang adjustment ko hindi din I didn't I think it's a challenge. Parang because when in terms sa for example like doing the PowerPoint presentation, I am so okay with that. Wala, there is no bali technologically wise ang mga Thailand. Everything is provided.
So because of that space, murag easy lang nimo pag-adjust?
Okay lang sir. Okay. When I was in Mountain View College, siyempre, I have my own my own computer, and then I try to use the projectors. I think for me I was so blessed, or parang I am so thankful. I was so thankful because everything is okay. Parang because ang mga rooms ba kay air conditioned, so walang no I think no adjust.
Di siya gaanong challenging, no? Maganda yung experience mo because of the ready na mga learning environments.
And everything is sir, and everything is provided, especially sa mga teaching
materials.
Like the chalk. Actually, our school provided what they call this, and in each classroom. In each classroom has a computer. In each classroom has a computer. Mayroon siya nga projector. Parang secured ka ba? In my school, may may swimming pool. Parang wala, okay lang siya.
Alright, sige. Let's go to the maybe one of the last two questions na lang. Who and what relationships come to mind nga central gyud sa imong experience sa cultural adjustment dyan? Nabay who and what relationships, mga interactions mo with others nga naka-shape sa imong pag-adjust? Nabay specific people, specific groups of people nga you feel nga nag-stand out gud sa imo nga your 1 year of culturally adapting was like this because of these people na ba, and what was the experience?
I think ang lang sir, it's about character that I try to copy for them na you have to become and being humble.
Okay.
Sir, being humble because ang ko sir, kay mostly sa mga students they are what we call this, they are well-to-do family, and most of them are well-to-do family kasi mga dato pa. So ina sila mga dato they especially boss na ako bali very very down to earth. Down to earth kay
are you saying sir, are you saying na kanang ang imong relationship sa imong boss kanang stand out to you nga naka-adjust ka?
I think one of them.
One of them.
But mostly one of them.
Okay.
Yeah. But but sir, kay ang ano man, mostly sa ako mga parents nga na-encounter, they are so very, parang they are so very humble. Or they don't brag themselves that they are so rich. Or they, kung sa ako, kung dato ka, grabe, napakita ka sa yung mga branded, yung mga, branded ng mga bayo, but for them, no, I don't see them, they're wearing something like that. But, of course, you will notice them if they have their cars, kay mga BM, mga luxury car naman nila. Pero ang ilang personality, parang lang din, parang they just only simple.
So, considering mga relationships, sir, kinsa man ang imong relationships nga nag-stand out sa imong first year? Sa imong mga co-teacher, sa imong boss, or sa parents?
I think to my boss and the parents.
Okay. Unsa may imong experience sa imong boss?
Ano siya, ang ng boss ko, ano man siya, sir, she is the owner of Yamaha and Suzuki. So, she is so generous, kind. Okay, ano man siya, kay every time man present example, like, if kung may ara nga new model nga sa ilang for example like the Yamaha motorcycle nila may ara sa new model, they have a program, so she invited me to go, and then there are some competitions, may mga dance may mga singing competition, dance, so ginakuha niya, she got me as the judge, so bali, and then she invited me to have dinner with her family too.
So very supportive siya sa imo. So dili ka naglisod mag-adjust sa kultura.
Wala. Okay.
All right. Sige. Last question, Sir D.
Sige,
okay.
sir.
What sa imong 1 year nga experience, with all these experiences that you said, what did this mean to you as a teacher in a foreign country? What did this mean to you? What did this mean to you? The whole experience was the first year nimo doon. What did this mean to you as a foreign teacher?
I was so thankful. I was so thankful nga I try to teach here in Thailand. And so siguro thankful and blessed. Yeah.
What has this contributed to you being a teacher? Yung experience mo na first year, anong na-learn mo? Anong na-learn mo, sir, with this 1 year in the context of their culture nga as a teacher in a foreign country?
I think, sir, they say that being humble, being patient. Because their personality are like this. They are calm. For example, if they have some problems, they try to encounter. Parang hindi sila they are not so aggressive. Parang hindi sila kalma muna. Calm muna. So I think I try to adapt that mentality or character.
So
being humble.
You are blessed. You are blessed to learn this new image of interacting with parents, no, sa ganung mga attitude nila.
Sir. Kaso I think from my case, this is my experience. Ang experience ko sa akong nga case. But to the other teacher, we actually here in Thailand, different scenario ang experience pa sa mga Filipino sa mga Filipino teachers sa Bangkok, iba naman sa Bangkok. Some of them they struggle.
Okay, so very nice ang imuhang experience sa imong first year sa pag-adapt sa mga kultura. Do you want to say more that you have forgotten maybe, or want to share na you missed before we end?
Wala na siguro, sir. Ikaw,
Okay, sige. All right. I'm very thankful nga you have shared your experience. Salamat kayo.